Alright guys, so we're like a week into this project now, and my dad decided to gut out the interior a little bit more. I don't know if you guys saw in the last clip I showed you guys, there was still like a little bit of foam on here, and as a matter of fact it's still here. This is all the stuff we took out. I know it's kind of hard to see, but all that gunk stuff. So now there's still a little bit more work to do, as you can see, but it's almost all gone. Right now we're gonna go get some kind of sander or more sanding paper. So let's check out the other side. Look at all that stuff right there. Try to focus it real quick. All that was in here, so we're looking a lot better. It still looks a little messy, but not as bad as before. Cool. So more progress to be done. We're still, like I said, we're still gonna try to get down a little bit more, just get it ready for body work and paint and whatnot. How's it going, guys? We're back here at Max's shop, Lucky 9. Whew, admiring his car. And Max told me he was gonna start working on RZ today, so I could see it right here. See what we have done. Looks like you took out one of the fender. What's up, Max? How are you, bro?
Oh, man. How are you?
Good, good.
Hey. Started working already.
Yeah, I can see you got the radiator out.
Yeah, it was draining.
Okay.
Oh, actually, it's out already, yeah.
Yeah.
I saw that. Oh, you know what's funny? Look. Let me install the dual fan on it.
Yeah, I was noticing that, yeah.
You install dual fan. You won't need them if you run that, unless you want to run the fan.
What do you think?
I saw the picture you sent me. It's all clean.
Yeah.
Once I pull this out, what I want to do is go back over the estimate, and I'm gonna go back over it with you. We'll go over it back together and see exactly what we're gonna do and stuff. Because I saw those wires and everything.
Yeah.
So basically, my whole estimate was just to put it like a refresh.
Yeah.
But we can do that. We can do like a little upgrade stuff, like
Okay.
add that. I got the fuel rail coming already.
Okay.
So it's already gonna clean that up.
Perfect.
And I don't know. Yeah, that'll clean up all the wires. But then also, once I start taking apart the suspension and stuff,
Yeah.
well, I'm gonna be unbolting a bunch of this stuff, but that's the stuff I kind of want to show you and be like, hey, you want to powder coat it, right?
Yeah.
You want to do this stuff and all that stuff. I'll show you where to take it.
Okay.
But if I can do that stuff for you too, we can do all this stuff, like do all the plating for all.
Yeah. Okay, so
the disc looks okay. Still has some life left, but it wouldn't be a right idea to redo it.
would you recommend going a little bit heavier?
No, I mean, it's just like a stock build.
Okay.
But see how it's like, maybe resurface it.
Okay.
It's stock. What you could do is you could shave this down.
Yeah.
I did that to mine. How heavy this is? It's like 20 something pound. And the machine shop, what they'll do is they'll grind away a lot of this metal, and they'll make it to like 15 pound, 14 pound, and it makes the engine rev faster, like how mine does.
Yeah.
That's what I did with mine.
Okay.
What do you think? See that? But you can do that for like an upgrade.
Yeah.
I know, just make the engine a little rev happier. But I would put a new clutch. Right now, you could put a new clutch. It's still okay. You can run it if you like. You can still use it.
Yeah.
But if you're gonna do all this work.
Yeah. No, we're gonna get another. Yeah.
A new stock clutch.
Yeah. What brand would you recommend? Is it Zetti?
It really doesn't matter.
No?
This is stock clutch.
Okay.
I can look one up for you. I'll see if I find a good one for you.
Okay.
And just like a good brand, like a
Yeah.
Saks or something.
Okay.
But yeah, even in mine, I have a upgraded high compression, everything. I run stock clutch. No, there's no.
Yeah.
need
Nothing
for it.
crazy.
I don't like fighting it, dude. I've been driving like modified car for so long. It's like I just like stock stuff a lot.
Yeah. As far as like the door hinges and all that goes, do you know how to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I can restore the whole thing.
Man, all right. Cool.
The next day.
Alright guys, today we're pulling up to my buddy Max's shop. We're gonna go pick out the color for the car today, so I'm pretty excited. Yeah.
But yeah, look, there's all the metal came out pretty good. Yeah, let me get them, see if we can get light. I think it's right there. It's the one with the brake ducts.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna look dope. It's gonna look nice. And the new, well, the signals.
Yep, got him too.
Did it come with the pigtails at all?
Yeah,
Run new oil through it and stuff.
yeah. If anything, I was thinking maybe we could get the. Is it hard to get the 5-speed? Because I used to have it on mine. No,
Not really. You can get them from a 240SX too.
Okay. Okay, that'd be cool. Do you need anything type of like plates or something like adapters or anything?
I don't think so. I think the 240SX kind of just bolts on there. You just need this bell housing. You already have it on.
Okay.
Let me show you the
Cool.
So when it's done, it's gonna be like brand new. The hardware, but I think some of the hardware and stuff. You gave me a lot of the hardware kit.
Yeah.
So that should be cleaned up most of it.
Okay. Cool, man. Alright, so let's check out the progress Max has done today. It's pretty cool. Everything's coming along super nice. Look at that. So basically in here we're trying to get everything welded up. So all the stuff that we don't need, like all these brackets that we're not gonna use. We made sure we welded them and sanded them down. No rust over here.
Hey.
Yo, what's up?
Oh, hey, what's up? Like I thought it was a D. Hey, you know what? We're gonna have to wait on the paint shop because I probably won't be able to get out of here.
Oh, okay, okay.
This paint, esa pintura le puse el mío. Tengo 10 años y no me he mirado nada. Ajá. Está bien buena esa pintura. Pero no me gusta ponerlo en todo partes porque es como no es bueno para ponerle